Welcome to the Standard 3 students. Welcome to all of you. Today we will start the lesson 5 chapter. We need air and water. We need air and water. So first of all, open the page 34. Page 34. What is air? First of all, we should know that what is air. 18 points are there. 18 points about air and water. We should know the 18 points, and these 18 points are: first, what is air? What is air? Why do we need air? Because air is a mixture of gases. Here the air is a mixture of gases forming the earth surface, forming on the earth surface called air. It is around us. It is around us, different gases. So air is a first point is the air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide gases. Okay, it all of the gases. Three gases. Major three gases are nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Okay, then different gases and water vapor and dust particle are also found in the air. What are two things? Besides gases, water vapor and dust particles. Water vapor and dust particles found in the air. Then third point, plants and animals. Okay, the plants breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Okay, plants breathe in oxygen and breathe in oxygen and carbon dioxide. So when we breathe out carbon dioxide, plants breathe out oxygen and breathe in carbon dioxide. Breathe in carbon dioxide. Okay, written wrongly. Breathe in oxygen and breathe out oxygen and breathe in carbon dioxide. When we breathe in oxygen, opposite, we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. So plants and animals are reverse. Okay, what steps should we follow to get the fresh air? What steps should we follow? The three ways. First is we plant more trees. Then walk regularly in the morning and do not throw the waste things in the open spaces. Always it will be in the dustbin. Don't throw the garbage in the open spaces. What will happen? It will pollute. So another question is that write different ways the air is getting polluted. Air is getting polluted in 5 ways. Air is getting polluted. The fresh air, these three things they are written in the book. Okay, then polluted in these five things getting polluted. Okay, fresh air and polluted. Air, first is the air. What does it contains? Then fresh air, then pollution. So question is the right different 5 ways of the air is getting polluted. Is getting polluted. First is the burning of garbage in the open space. Second point, bursting of crackers. Tal photka, sun photka, crackers, bana. Okay, so bursting of crackers, it will also polluted. Then cutting of more trees, it is also polluted. No forming of oxygen that we take. Okay, cutting of more trees. Then vehicle emission. The vehicle emission is the nitrogen. Vehicle emission. Hala. Then burning of coals. These are the pollution. These are the steps of the pollution. Burning of coals, vehicle emission, cutting more trees, bursting of crackers, and burning of garbage in the open space. So 5 things which are air is getting polluted. All of you clear? Then come to switch over to the water. Water. Then switch over to the why need air. Finished. Then water. Why we need water? Because water is a clear, colorless and tasteless liquid. Clear, colorless and tasteless liquid that we drink. Then plants and trees water to what purpose? Grow. Grow. Plants and trees need water to grow. So water, that there are forms of water, sources of water, and pollution of water. 3 things. First is the forms of water, then sources of water, then water pollution. Okay. 3 things you remember. Forms of water, 3 forms. 3 forms. Liquid, it is the water. Solid, it is ice. Then gaseous form, it is the water vapor, which goes up and forms cloud and coming as a raindrop. Okay. So water vapor is the gaseous form. Solid form is the ice and liquid form is the water. So water has 3 forms. Then sources of water. The water falls from the clouds and rainfall to the earth's surface by the process of water cycle. A process of water cycle. The water falls from the clouds and rainfall to the earth's surface by water cycle. Process of water cycle. Evaporation, condensation, then comes to the first evaporation. Sunlight evaporates all the water and condense it in the cloud. Then it forms. When droplet is more weightage, then it will come down as rain. So that is a circle of water process. Okay. Then water cycle process, we get water from the. So what are the different sources of water? What are the different forms of water? Finished. Forms of water. Okay. Then come to the 36. How it evaporates and how it comes to the water cycle. So evaporation, the water, the 8th point is the water evaporates in the forms of water vapor. In the forms of water vapor. Okay. It evaporates in the forms of water vapor. Falls by the water cycle. In the process of water cycle, forms are the rainfall. Okay. Clouds or rainfall. So what are the sources of water? First is the rain, ocean, seas, lakes. Okay. Rain, ocean, sea, lakes, ponds, river. These are the sources of water. 6 sources of water. Rain, ocean, sea, lakes, river, ponds are the main sources of water. So these are the sources of water coming by the process of water cycle. Okay. And going up by the process of evaporation. Okay. Falls from the as a cloud by the process of water cycle. Okay. Then water, the sources of water, these 6 sources of water. Then comes to switch over to the water pollution. Water pollution, dirty water carries a number of diseases that makes us unhealthy and weak. Unhealthy and weak. So we should use water by boiling and filtering. By boiling and we use water by boiling and filtering. Okay. Then we celebrated the World Water Day is the 22nd March every year. 22nd March every year. So because about 3/4 of the earth, 3/4 of the earth is covered by water. So it is called blue planets. So Earth is called blue planet. Why? Why Earth is called blue planet? Because it covers 3 out of 4, 3 portions, 3 by 4, okay, of the Earth covered by water. So it is called blue planet or watery planet. Blue planet or watery planet. The process of changing of liquid or solid to vapor is called evaporation. So one word. These 4 lines are one word. The process of changing from liquid or solid to vapor is called evaporation. What is evaporation? Then what is ocean? A huge body of water is called ocean. Okay. Then what is cloud? A mass of condensed water vapor floating in the sky. Floating in the sky is called cloud. Okay. Then last point is the mixture of gases forming the Earth's surface is called air. Okay. These are the 4. These 4, 15, 16, 17, 18. These are the one word answer. So it will come in the examination like this. The question will come, fill in the blanks, then write different ways to air getting polluted. Okay. Then what steps should we follow to get fresh air? These are the 2 most questions. Then all are the form of coming from as the fill in the blanks. We celebrate World Water Day. And which day? 22nd March every year. 22nd March, World Water Day. World Water Day. Okay? All of you understand? So, this is the revision work. So, you revise it at home and write down in your assignment copy. Okay? Thank you all of you.